Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5% or more, and it's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. For further details with regards to in-depth strategy and how to join us on the challenge for as little as $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In the previous video we did an important update on ticker symbol BBIG, and we also looked at some important stocks to potentially buy and benefit from with regard to the monkeypox virus. So please refer back to the previous video for details of those stocks. In today's stock we're going to do important updates for ticker symbol MMAT Metamaterials, and also two important updates for BBIG and also for RDBX Redbox. So before we do that, let's have a look at what's happening in the market. So I'm just going to bring you a couple of headlines here. The first one is from the Wall Street Journal, and we can see here tech stocks continue to fall after Snap's profit warning. So the Nasdaq composite has dropped more than 2%, and we have seen a very significant decline in many of the tech stocks. So this includes Google, this also includes Tesla, that is still trending down at the moment, and as well as that we're also looking at Facebook is down quite significantly. But the one that I think is most significant on the screen here, you'll be able to see from Bloomberg headline here with regard to Snapchat. Right now it's down in excess of 40%, and this is based on a profit warning. So obviously in addition to that, we have the continuing problems with inflation, Ukraine, and that is also affecting something with regard to the supply chain, and also it's affected the advertising budgets of companies like Google as well. So not good news in terms of the market. And if we finish off here by looking at a headline from Fox Business, we can see that obviously there's a poll here from 57% of small business owners. They are fearing right now the economy is getting worse. So there is rumours here in terms of in terms of stocks potentially falling to all-time lows now. There is worry about recession, and we can see the main indexes are going down. So very difficult times of trading. However, an alternative view to that is potentially the market is probably getting near to the bottom. But one thing to always bear in mind, if the stocks that you hold are stocks that you believe in, the stock market always recovers and it always reaches all-time highs. So again, a positive on this is also a great opportunity to buy at discount, and obviously these key stocks such as Google, Tesla, Facebook, etc., and these are certainly primed to recover again to all-time highs. The other thing I'd like to draw your attention to here is a headline on the screen here, and this is with regard to the SEC. So it's a positive headline for retail investors, and what we can see here, many people do state that they believe that the market is being manipulated. So I think we have a little bit of evidence of that here. So this headline from May the 24th. Good news here is the SEC is now charging TradeZero America and co-founder with deceiving customers about meme stock trading halts. So many investors, including investors in our Discord, continuously always comment with regard to certain stocks that get halted. So this is not great news for people wishing to take profit. It's not great news for people wishing to potentially buy at an appropriate price or sell at an appropriate price. So we have good news here in terms of this potentially sending a very powerful message to participants of the capital markets. Please do not exploit the markets. Please do not take advantage of this. It looks like potentially this could be something to assist the hedge funds, to assist the shorts. So with this action and this investigation that is now being conducted by Heather Powell and Jason D of the SEC, hopefully we get a little bit of fairness in the market, a bit of equality and justice for the retail investor. I'm now going to give a shout out here to John Berder, and on the screen here he has posted, should we say he's retweeted something quite bullish with regard to metamaterials, and this is a retweet of the Meta Support channel, so a shout out to the Meta Support channel here. And I think this is a very positive tweet, and this is with regard to something that was covered on the channel a while ago with regard to the recent patent that was awarded to Metamaterials. But what we have here in this retweet is the potential in terms of market opportunity, and we can see this was news was regarding glucose monitoring device, and that we're stating here that the market for this could potentially hit 46 billion by 2027. So in terms of how is this bullish for Metamaterials, so Metamaterials now has the only exclusive non-evasive US patent. Long term, again, positive news for Metamaterials. Those who have been watching the stock recently over the last few days have probably noticed that the stock is doing exceptionally well in difficult market conditions. I think yesterday we were very close to $2 mark, but I think today we have had a little bit of a healthy pullback, so nothing serious to worry about. So going forward, hopefully this gives the stock great momentum. Let's now have a look at an update for ticker symbol BBIG. So I'm going to look at some data with regard to short squeeze from Fintel. So again, the data is certainly getting interesting with regard to BBIG Vinco Ventures. Again, this is a stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel. So if you're looking for important dates, these dates have been covered in a previous video, so I'm not going to repeat those again. But let's have a look at the short squeeze score here. And currently, according to Fintel, it's rated at 19 out of 5,393 stocks at 94.73. What's also interesting, it has also now been added to the gamma squeeze score and the gamma list, and it's rated at number 16 out of 346 stocks with a score of 95.98. So let's now have a look at the short shares available. So again, these are reducing, so it looks like it's in huge demand. Right now, in the previous hour, there's only 200 shares available at time of editing here, 24th of May 2022. So again, it's getting more very interesting. And the final one I'm going to show you with regard to the data from Fintel, and I think this is probably the most interesting. If we look at the change here from the 19th to the 23rd and then the 24th, I think we're getting very significant increases in the short borrow fees. So look at the 19th, it was 78%, then it's jumped to 151% on the 23rd of May, and right now the latest information from Fintel, just updated 28 minutes ago, we're looking at a short borrow fee of 264.1%. So in terms of the stock today, again, this is a very difficult red day in the market, and we can see if I just check the price right now, it is trading at $2.91. So in difficult market trading conditions, the shorts are certainly trying the hardest. So again, potentially good news here going forward. I'd like to now finish off by having a look at symbol RDBX Redbox Entertainment Incorporated. This stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channels. For detailed due diligence, please refer back to one of my previous videos. Before we look at the chart for Redbox, I'm going to share with you a copy of our weekly watch list where we did identify Redbox as a stock to keep an eye out and potentially look at for a swing trade. So we've identified here, you'll see this is something that is available to the Discord members prior to trading on Monday. So we've said here it's looking like a bull flag on the chart, high risk stock, so certainly trade with care. We also identified some stocks here that could potentially benefit from the monkeypox virus. So to get access to these, you can certainly get access in the Discord. So let's have a look at what happened on the chart. So on the chart here, we can see on the screen, just prior to start of open on trading on Monday, this was trading around about the $5 mark, and you'll be able to see that it quickly ran up well in excess of $6, and at one point it was very close to the $7 mark. And then what we can see after that, it has come down very quickly as anticipated. Right now at time of editing, trading at $4.98. So what was the strategy in terms of trading? So again, another shout out to some of the members in the Discord, and we can see here from the top in terms of Redbox, we can see one of the members sold it at $6.70, so congratulations there. Another sold it after buying at $3.85. Another member sold at $6.56. So the member who sold at $6.70 was in at $3.33. So again, Congratulations to all the members. So certainly stocks like these, which are extremely volatile, it's a great strategy to take profits, potentially looking at a re-entry with a better price. So if anybody would like to get access to the Discord, where we do discuss stocks, we do share due diligence, as well as live trading chat, and you can also join us in the challenge. Details are available in the description below. So thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.